Hello, this is Win from ABC Electronics. Am I speaking with Mr. Lee from XYZ Supplies?
Yes, this is Lee. Good morning, Ms. Wynn. I'm calling regarding the delivery of the latest shipment of electronic components. Have you received it yet?
Yes, we received the shipment this morning. However, we are still in the process of checking the quantity, quality, and specifications.
Understood. Is everything in order so far?
We are currently verifying the packing list against the purchase order. So far, the supplier name and order details match.
That's good to hear. Have you checked the cartons and lot numbers yet?
Yes, we counted all cartons, and the lot number is 23B67. However, we noticed that one carton is damaged.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Could you take a photo and send it to me? I will file a nonconformance report on our end.
Sure, I will send the photo shortly. Additionally, I noticed that the expiration date for some components is earlier than what was stated in the purchase order.
That shouldn't have happened. What expiration date do you see?
The purchase order specifies June 2026, but the expiration date on the shipment is April 2026.
I understand. Let me check with our warehouse team. If needed, we can send a replacement.
That would be appreciated. Also, we found that the quantity of one component does not match the packing list. The order was for 500 units, but we received 480. Please let us know as soon as possible. We need to start production, and any delay could cause machine failure or product defects.
Understood, Ms. Wynn. I'll confirm with our warehouse and get back to you shortly. If necessary, we will arrange a replacement shipment.
Thank you, Mr. Lee. I will send the photo of the damaged carton in the nonconformance report within the next hour.
That sounds good. I appreciate your cooperation. Let's resolve this quickly.
Agreed. Looking forward to your update.
Hello, this is John from the QC department. I need to report an issue with the material specifications we received today.
Hi John, what's the problem?
We ordered aluminum sheets with a composition of 98% aluminum, but the batch we received is only 95%. That's outside the required tolerance.
That sounds serious. Did you check all the batches?
Yes. We found another batch with only 94% aluminum.
That's unacceptable. Let me contact the supplier. Do you have photos of the material and the supplier certificate?
Yes, I took some. I'll send them over now.
Thanks. I'll check our purchase order and see what went wrong.
Should we put production on hold?
Yes. We can't risk defects or rejected products. Let's clarify this with the supplier first.
Also, I noticed some sheets have inconsistent thickness. Some are 0.2 mm thinner than the required standard.
That's another issue. I'll include that in my report to the supplier. What about the surface quality?
There are scratches and oxidation marks on several sheets. I suspect poor handling during transportation.
I see. Have you checked the batch number and certification documents?
Yes, the batch number matches, but the material doesn't comply with the original specification sheet.
I'll request an official explanation from the supplier. Meanwhile, please prepare a detailed inspection report with all findings.
Understood. I'll also ask production to separate the defective materials.
Good idea. Let's see if we can get a replacement shipment as soon as possible. I'll update you after speaking with the supplier.
It looks like we're running out of materials. I don't see enough components on the shelf.
Really? Have you checked carefully? Which component is missing?
Yes, I just checked. The 10 UF capacitors are almost gone.
Alright, let me check the inventory first. Next time, if you notice that materials are running low, make sure to report it earlier.
Got it. I didn't know the reporting procedure before. What should we do now?
First, fill out the material shortage report form. Remember to include the material type, the remaining quantity, and the required quantity.